Hey everyone! Before we start today's tutorial, let me show you something absolutely mind-blowing. Do you know that people are making thousands, even millions of dollars just by creating AI avatars? Yes, you heard that right. There are creators who have built entire AI influencer accounts on Instagram, and they have millions of followers. And guess what? These influencers don't even exist in real life. They're completely AI-generated. Let me give you some real examples. There's an AI influencer named Lil Miquela who has over 2.5 million followers on Instagram. She gets brand deals, collaborations, and earns serious money. Then there's Aitana Lopez from Spain, an AI model who makes over $10,000 per month just from sponsored posts and brand partnerships. Brands are paying big money to collaborate with these AI influencers because they're unique, they're consistent, and they attract massive attention. And the best part? You can create your own AI avatar today and start building your digital empire. Whether you want to create content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even start your own AI influencer brand, this is your golden opportunity. So if you're ready to jump into this exciting world of AI avatars and potentially make money from it, stay with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own realistic AI avatar in the next few minutes. Let's get started. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. I'm not a tech expert. Can I really do this? The answer is absolutely yes. The technology has become so simple that anyone can create professional-looking AI avatars in just a few minutes. There are many AI tools available in the market today. Some are expensive, some are complex. But I found one tool that's perfect for beginners and gives amazing results. It's called OpenArt. The best part about OpenArt? You can start completely free with their trial version. You don't need to pay anything up front to create your first AI avatar. You can test it out, see the results, and then decide if you want to continue. Now, if you're serious about this and want to create multiple avatars, different styles, different outfits for various types of content, then yes, you'll need to upgrade to their premium plan. But here's the thing, their pricing is super affordable. It's not one of those tools that costs hundreds of dollars per month. I've put the link to OpenArt in the description below. I've also included a screenshot of their pricing plans so you can see exactly what it costs. Trust me, for the value you get, it's totally worth it. All right, enough talking. Let me show you exactly how to create your stunning AI avatar step by step. First things first, open your web browser. Now go to the OpenArt website. You can type OpenArt AI in Google, or simply click the link I've provided in the description. That will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the OpenArt homepage, you'll see a beautiful, clean interface. Look for the login or sign up button, usually at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, just log in with your credentials. If you're new to OpenArt, don't worry. Signing up is super quick and easy. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use your Google account for even faster registration. It literally takes less than a minute. After you've logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your creative workspace. Take a moment to look around. You'll see various options and features. Now here's what we need to do. Look for the image option in the menu. It might be on the left sidebar or in the top navigation, depending on the version you're using. Click on Image. Once you click on Image, you'll see a button that says Create Image or Generate Image. Click on that button. This will open up the image generation studio where all the magic is going to happen. Now you're in the Creation Studio. This is where you'll configure everything to generate your AI avatar. Look carefully at the interface. You'll see various options, settings, and toggles. Don't get overwhelmed. We're going to keep this super simple. Find the toggle switch or the model selector. This might be labeled as Model, Style, or Switch Model. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing you different AI models that OpenArt offers. Now, this is important. Don't just select any random model. Different models are designed for different purposes. Since we want to create a realistic human avatar that looks like a real person, we need to select the OpenArt photorealistic model. This model is specifically trained to generate images that look like professional photographs of actual human beings. Make sure you select OpenArt photorealistic. This is crucial for getting that realistic, believable look that will make your avatar stand out. Once you've selected the right model, we can move on to the most important part of the entire process, writing your prompt. This is where the real magic happens. The prompt is basically a detailed description that tells the AI exactly what you want your avatar to look like. The more detailed and specific you are, the better your results will be. Let me give you a powerful example prompt that creates stunning results. A front-facing portrait of a confident 25-year-old woman with curly black hair, vivid emerald green eyes framed by long dark lashes, soft red lips forming a natural smile. She is wearing a simple cream-colored top, captured in soft natural light with a professional photography look, gazing directly into the camera against a plain background. Congratulations! You've just created your first AI avatar. But wait, we're not done yet. Want to create more avatars? Maybe you need different expressions, different outfits, different angles for various types of content? You can absolutely do that. Just go back to the creation studio and repeat the process with a new prompt. Change the clothing, change the hairstyle, change the expression, change the background. Experiment and have fun with it. Create multiple versions of your avatar for different scenarios. A casual look for lifestyle content, a professional look for business content, a sporty look for fitness content, a glamorous look for fashion content. However, here's something to keep in mind. The free trial version has limitations on how many images you can generate. If you're serious about building your AI influencer or creating lots of content, you'll need to upgrade to the premium plan. But honestly, for what you get, the pricing is very reasonable. I've included all the pricing details in the description. Check it out and see which plan works best for your goals. And there you have it. You've successfully created your own incredibly realistic AI avatar. Now, this is just the beginning of your journey. Remember those AI influencers I mentioned at the start of the video? The ones making thousands of dollars? You now have the tools to start your own journey. Create your avatar, build your content strategy, start posting on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and watch your following grow. Who knows? Your AI avatar might be the next big influencer with millions of followers. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're excited about the possibilities, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I create content about AI tools, making money online, and digital creativity. Don't forget to check the description for the OpenArt link and the pricing information. Everything you need is right there. Drop a comment below and let me know. What kind of AI influencer are you planning to create? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now go out there and create something amazing.